Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this very special 2019 Subaru WRX premium model. This is a 6-speed manual, only 2 previous owners, and it's in that nice series gray color, that nice light blue gray, that nice chalk pastel color. New tires up front, aftermarket wheels, LED automatic headlights, fog lights, aftermarket lip. And then for our engine bay, we have an all-factory engine, new battery, new long block replaced by us at our shop. So brand spanking new engine, everything like it should be. So you're starting out at 0 miles on this motor. We did a light break-in for it. Comes with slotted and 4-wheel disc brakes, red calipers, all of that. The red calipers were from the factory, so it gives it that nice racing look. And everything is pristine on the vehicle, needing nothing. So interior has the upgraded dealer option Recaro seats. Very, very sought after upgrade, very nice. Definitely what you want if you're getting one of these cars. Comes with the original owner's manual. Also has a integrated boost gauge, and then keeps track of all of the car's mechanics. And then all-wheel drive system, AC's ice cold. Comes with an aftermarket shift knob and short throw shifter. Comes with dual heated front seats, USB auxiliary Bluetooth connectivity, illuminated vanity mirrors, rear backup camera, cruise control, LED interior lights, push to start. And then it comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, seat, 2 automatic front windows, and rain guards. All-weather aftermarket floor mats complement the interior very nicely. And then it comes with that nice white on red interior with split folding 60/40 rear seats. And then you get that continuation of the all-weather in the trunk. So no dings, dents, scratches. The paint's superb. Comes with the aftermarket mud flaps, a Cobb catback exhaust so you don't have to worry about tuning the vehicle. And then underneath here is your spare tire. So it comes with the Subaru all-weather trunk mat. Here's a backup camera, aftermarket lip. The emblems are black from the factory, so they match the wheels really well. And then the aftermarket vortex generator with tinted windows all the way around. So needs nothing, just a new driver. You got the brand new engine, you got a new lease on life here. You can drive this vehicle carefree for as many miles as you want. Just a very, very nice, well put together motor. We did an excellent job. Everything's functioning as intended. So on our steering wheel, we got our steering wheel controls, cruise, Bluetooth, interval front wipers, our automatic headlight fog light switch. 168,000 original 2-owner miles, but again, that's on the chassis. You're starting from 15 miles on the vehicle, so everything's properly working. It has an original Subaru windshield, no cracks, no chips. It has the nice frameless rear view mirror with the HomeLink, auto dimming, and compass installed inside. So keyless smart entry with this, push to start, and some awesome good looks. Take this turbocharged engine to the next level and look great while doing it. This is such a beautiful, well-kept Subaru, and like I said, brand new long block, so you're good to hit the road. You can find this beautiful 2019 Subaru WRX Premium exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.